Welcome to your daily slot video.
I'm not getting a darn thing right now. Oh, got the howl. Let's see if Woofy wants to play today. Here we go. Come on, let's get hats. Need 3 of them. Let's go, hats. One more. There we go. Ooh, that's a lot of hats. I wish they would reset it at 6 spins when you get that many. Come on, we get 3 more. Want to get some more gold. Any of those red ones. Come on. Well, take what I can get. You never know. I might get the wheel. I know you're there just working. I just put you as a mod because I only had a couple people in here that I was going to give it out to. Because I don't know. Everybody else is probably modding other channels. Hi, Guadalupe. Thanks for coming in. Appreciate it. Happy New Year. Hi, Juicy. Thanks for coming in. Happy New Year's Eve. Just doing a little low rolling today. Come on, wheel. Let's get it. Wheel. Benny, 10 bucks. Not bad, $26. And I still have $22 of 35 of free play, so that ain't bad. I'm ahead. Neighbor over there on a $3 nickel bet had almost a full screen of mansions. Hi, Eric. Thank you for coming in. Appreciate it. Good. Thank you for the good luck wishes.
Reach it, hit it.
Finally. Gee. That's my wife for you.
BD has the turkey. I got the chicken.
Well, BT, yeah, it is Rooster, but I know what Joe wanted me to say. Hold on, let me adjust so you can see the top. At least you got one nice one in there. Just keep it going. At least it's doing one at a time only, not a bunch.
Come on, show me a grape.
Hi to Lotus. Thanks for coming in. Well, 3 away from the grand. Now 2 away. Now we need anything on the board to save it. Need at least an egg. 1 egg. Save it. Thank you. One away from the grand now. We'll take the grand in this one if we couldn't get it on a Dragon Link. One away from that mini for 40 bucks. 2 away from the minor. Come on, need words.
Stop looking over there.
Got the $40 mini. Thank you, Sean. Nope, 1 away from that $80 minor. R. Kelly. Got it. Got the minor.
Minor.
But that was the last spin, though. It's all right. It was still a good bonus. 120 plus whatever adding on. That wasn't a good bonus. Sure did get him. Leave it go, because it might say winner, winner, chicken dinner. It will. Winner, winner. Now wait. Chicken dinner. Chickens in the middle. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Aw, get a pat.
Didn't you know that? She didn't know that it did that. Yeah, it was decent. Oh, back-to-back bonuses. All right, let's go. Miss Ye said girl power.
Got that right, sister. Come out. Got that multiplier. Let's go with the people. Oh, wait, you're two centers. Isn't that
$6, very good.
Wow, thanks. You make me feel wonderful. No, it goes to
Now
how
it's
much?
12.
Come on, multiplier. Where are you?
Nice.
There we go.
Need a multiplier on that last one again on the right.
Multiplier.
Come on, let's get it. I didn't even get to lower the screen because I got the bonus so fast.
Why couldn't that be over here? My turn.
I can lower it down a little now. We're not up on that one.
Not for me.
Oh, nice. Those are some big ones in there. That's what she said.
That's what she wishes. Not what she said.
Not bad.
Wow, almost 69.
Oh, jeez. Then my wife got the gold one next to it. Well, let's do her gold one first, then we'll do mine. Told you, I'd never seen the gold saw. Or I've never gotten it myself. Come on, honey, you can do it. She's on a dollar bet, too. Super gold saw. Still all right.
A win is a win.
Yeah, she's lucky because never get it, and she's only betting $1. She wasn't betting that earlier, I'll tell you that much. Now let's see if we can get some of that back. Hi, Missy A. Happy New Year to you, too. I don't think I ever saw the gold buzzsaw bonus like this either. Now we just need a lot of hats. Not no hats, a lot of hats.
Or wild wolves.
You mean wild wolves?
$108.
Nice. She got all the business. Oh, it ain't even the business pigs, I don't
It's
think.
the farmer pig with the axe.
$108.
Got some money back, honey.
Yeah, some money. We'll leave it that way. Hi, Roberto. Thanks for coming in. Appreciate it. Happy New Year. Yeah.
You see me?
No. Now she can.
I slot it like it's hot.
Thank you, Sean. Yes, it was. Still in that bonus. Still got 4 spins. See if we can re-trigger it. Come on, 2 more. It's only a $1 bet, too. There we go. Oh,
yeah.
nice. Got to do that a couple more times. Get some gold. Got one mansion so far.
Line them up in there, Buttercup. Come on. There we go.
Nice. If I missed anybody in the chat, sorry. Hi, Gallivanter Slots. Thanks for coming in. Happy New Year. It's my wife's bonus. She got the golden buzzsaw. And then hit the super buzzsaw.
on the third row.
Come on, one more. We need a re-trigger. Nice.
There we go.
Let's keep it going.
That's a gold one. So do I.
Oh, I know. You're going to get more gold. I know. Got a lot of golds on that one. 6 so far. 7 so far. Come on, one more. Nice. Another re-trigger. More gold. Keep it going. Well, my wife started my channel with a hand pick. The second year of my channel with the hand. Tomorrow will be my 3-year anniversary of my channel.
One more hand. There you go. One more?
Come on, honey. Let's get a re-trigger. Oh. Well, let's hope this will be a good one.
Line her up. Let's go.
Come on. I don't know if you can. I think you can get the wheel on this one after you had a wheel. I'm not sure. I've had wheels before, but I don't know if you after you had that one.
Mama wants coins.
Oh, a lot of coins would be nice. Big coins. Like that $2,900 major would be very nice. Come on. Let's get it. Coin. Mini. A minor. Oh,
Minor.
got a 50 bucks. Nice. Oh, that's all. About $160 some dollars, or $260 some bonus. Yeah, I thought so. Not with the buzzsaw. I know one of them you can't re-trigger it in, or you can't get it twice.
Wait, come in. Why?
$263 bonus. Now let's see what I can do on mine. So let's see what I'm going to do now. Thank you, 170 you in my chat right now. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, I really appreciate it if you subscribe. It's free. Okay, we got 1 gold. Let's get a re-trigger. Come on, let's get it. Come on, let's get a re-trigger. Hi, James. Thanks for coming in. Well, got 2 of them. Now let's get the wheel. Hi, Kathy. Thanks for coming in. Appreciate the good luck wishes. Hi, Bonnie G. Hi, Avalon. Thanks for coming in. Appreciate it. Let's get them. Coins. Come on. Let's get that wheel. Wheel. Dang it. I'm not complaining. Doing good on low rolling. 25 bucks. Started with 166 with $35 in free play, and I'm still up. Got the shaky, shaky. Oh, big hit, big hit, big hit. All the way in full screen. Hell yeah, that's got to be huge. That's what she said again.
That's what she said.
That would be nice Christmas colors. Oh, you're going to get a winner chicken dinner on this one. Oh, maybe not. Maybe I was wrong. Go ahead, hit it. 96 bucks. Oh, almost to that comma now.